This is the 2013 Ford Edge 2.0 Turbo, and I just wanted to make a quick video on labeling all of the solenoids and the electrical connectors and where they are, so it's easier to find for you. These are the CVT solenoids, and then these are the camshaft intake and exhaust solenoids. Down here we've got the fuel rail pressure sensor. And then you've got your fuel injector connectors that go down here, the fuel injectors. This is the block heater, if your car has the block heater. So it's actually just a cable connected to. Under here there's just an outlet for the wall, like you plug into the wall just to get your car warmed up. So down here you got the NOx sensor here, and you get the NOx sensor right up in here. This would be your oil pressure sensor. This one is the Turbocharger Wastegate control solenoid. So on the exhaust side, you've got your cylinder head exhaust temperature sensor. Over here, where's it at? You got your coolant temp sensor. That's your Turbo Boost Solenoid. And then they've got a map sensor for the turbo specifically, and there's a map sensor elsewhere in the car. I'll show you in a second. And then down here you've got the Crankshaft Position sensor. So this would be on the intake box, which sits about here on the car. And this is your mass airflow sensor. And here's your intake. And then this is your map sensor. So this would be your standard map sensor that goes in the intake, as opposed to the one I showed that goes to the turbo. Alright, and then down here there's your brake booster, and you follow the fuel line down. And there is the low pressure fuel rail pressure sensor. And here's your catalytic converter. And there's the sensor 1 O2 sensor. And then just behind it's the O2 sensor 2 location downstream. Back to the top is your ignition coils. And I don't know if earlier if I said CVT, but it's VCT. Variable camshaft timing for intake and exhaust. Just want to clarify that. But that should cover most of the sensors and things you could need to find or replace. So I hope it helped you out. Give me a thumbs up. Appreciate it.